Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Comerica Bank account. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. So without further ado, let's get the video started. First thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL comerica.com. Once you get into the website, click on the login button at the top right of the page. Then enter your information that you use to log into your online banking account for the Comerica Bank. Start by entering your user ID. And then enter your password. Once you fill in all your information, click on login in order to log into your Comerica Bank account. But if you do not have an account, click on setup, or if you have forgotten your password, click on forgot password. Once you fill in all your information, click on login and you'll be logged into your Comerica online banking account. So there you have it. That's how you log into your Comerica Bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.